Okay, here we go. Today, once again, back to let you know how to use the picture lookup formula. And basically, picture lookup formula is used to search the image by its name. Okay, so the name and the image, like pictures, any kind of pictures related to the same name, can be displayed in the next table. Okay, so first thing is that please now concentrate. So first thing is that here is a brand I have written in A1, and in B1 over here I've written car, and A2 Nissan, A3 BMW, A4 Ford, A5 Audi. And similarly, I have brought this image from the insert button. Okay, so this Nissan's car. Okay, so insert picture, and I clicked on Nissan and I brought it insert, so like it will appear, and you have to like adjust the size of this. You have to adjust the size of this and just place it inside the cell over here like this. Okay, so you have to within this cell, this image should be there. So little bit up and down arrow, you can lift arrow, right arrow from your keyboard, up arrow, down arrow, you can just adjust in that way also. Otherwise, with the help of mouse you can do. And similarly, this BMW was also inserted from this picture, which I have already downloaded from the internet. Okay, so for this sample, so I have brought it from this picture. Then when I select the image and insert, this will appear here, and I just adjust it and keep it over here. Okay, so let me tell you, before you keep this kind of image, our normal cell size is over here. Where I'm clicking, you can see the normal height. Okay, so normal height down here, normal height and the width, height and the width are in this manner. But so how can we make this large? Okay, so it's very simple. So when I click it over here, like we go to like home. So click, so just select this and go to home, and you can just follow the pointer. So when I'm taking, so you go to format, and here is the row height and column width. Okay, so our row height is 80. Okay, so the height we are being able to see over here is this one is our row. Okay, this is row known as row, where I'm highlighting this portion is row. Okay, so its height is 80. So when you do in your system, you have to click it over here, and you have to go to format, and you click in the row height, and you put the value 80, and when you click OK, and all this row height will be this height. Okay, now talking about the column. Okay, so row column, I'll click here in same format, column width, you give the value 30 and OK, and the column will be in this size. Okay, so in the similar way, you do it to the all cell which you are where I'm clicking. So wherever we need it, we have to do it all the same size, height and width in the all table like this. Okay, so I'm going to select this one and put the like borders. Okay, so even over here also I'm going to put borders. Okay, all borders. So this is a little good now. Now coming to the point. Now after doing all this, and I'll make sure okay. So when you make first, this F2 should be blank. Okay, it's very simple. F2 should be blank. And now after coming to this point, like you have brand, car, and brand name for brand name, and with car for branded car photos like Nissan's car, BMW's car, Ford car, Audi car, and the brand car and the BMW. And now Now this is the main point. The place where you have written in this field the BMW should be redirected from this table. Okay, so now coming to the point, now select the C3. Oh, sorry, not C3 because you have written BMW. So write it here BMW and click in C2. Okay, and with the help of left arrow key or navigation from the keyboard, just come to B2. Okay, so see, right, left, I can show you shifting. Okay, left. Now you just copy from here. Okay, paste arrow, click it down. Okay, so before I placed, don't make a mistake to select. Okay, so I'm not going to click anywhere, I'm coming back again. I will click in C2. Okay, I will click in left arrow and come to B2. Then I will copy. Then after copying that, I'll click in F2 because I need the image over here. So after clicking this cell, I'll go to paste, down, not up. Okay, so paste. Then you go to pictures and paste picture link. Okay, not paste as picture. You have to click paste picture link. I click it over here. Now you can see clearly I have brought the Nissan's car over here. Okay, in this second table, but the name is BMW, and you don't worry because this is the process for right now. So later on it will be corrected automatically over here. Okay, now select, after that select this F3 and you have to double click here. Okay, so F3, now you have to, you can see here you can type the, you have to type the formula, and the formula goes like this: equals to index open bracket and this dollar symbol. Okay, dollar symbols comes from your keyboard with the help of shift and number 4. They have the dollar symbol uppercase. Okay, then B dollar symbol and 2 is to dollar B dollar 5 comma match open bracket dollar E dollar 2 comma dollar A dollar 2 is to dollar A dollar 5 comma, and when you do comma, like they will appear like exact match over here like this after comma. Okay, so you have to click in exact match. Okay, double click, here we go. Then you need to like enter after that, but I haven't entered. Once you entered, the value should come 0. Okay, if your value come 0 over here after entering, like when I click enter, like where I clicked enter just now, the value is shown here 0. So this means the formula is correct. Now I'm going to explain you this formula. Equals to index. Okay, so this index, this is the index. You can see here all this branded brand car, these all are the index. Open bracket B2 is to B5 dollar B2 dollar B dollar 2 is to dollar B dollar 5, means from here, you please follow the pointer here, B2 to B5. Okay, so comma match. Now this B column being matched to E2, like it's over here E2. Okay, so whatever you type here, the image should appear here from this B column. Okay, so it has been matching from the E2. Okay, so E2 name should be matched, E2 cell name should be matched with B columns. Okay, so that's why the E2's been taken. So comma A2 is to A5 means, so when I see this A2 is to A5 means this one is Nissan written here. A2 in A2 cell Nissan is written and A25 Audi is written. Okay, so from A2 is to Audi, it has been redirected. Okay, so it means that if like E2, this BMW is written in E2, it means that the car should show the BMW over here. Okay, so this BMW should be come over here. Okay, so now still there are little bit process to continue. You need to concentrate. Now so up now I have explained you this. So I'm going to put enter. So it's 0 over here. Now next step is I'll select this formula from the formula bar. You see the pointer where I'm taking. I'll click it here in this is called formula bar. I'll select this formula, right click and copy it. Okay. Then I'll put enter. Okay. Still 0. Make sure this should be 0. Now coming to the point, we go to formulas, name manager. We go to new, and in the name you should give picture, 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 LOOKUP. Okay, without any space you have to write picture lookup, and refers to you have to delete this refers to. You could give refers to. Now you have to make clean over here. You have to delete everything. Now make sure key that you have already copied. Now with the help of your mouse, right click and paste, and okay. Now you can see clearly the picture lookup is ready for your formula. So I'll close this one. Okay. So now I'll go here. I will click in this F2 image. Please follow the pointer where I am moving this pointer. I'll click in this F2 cell image, and I'm going to this formula bar. I'll click in formula bar. I will delete this equals to $b and $2, and I'm going to type equals to PICTURE picture. Okay, because I have created one picture lookup formula. Okay, so I'll double click in picture lookup, and when I enter, now when we enter, this car photo should be converted to BMW. Like as you see in your left hand side, this red car is Nissan. It is not BMW. But when I entered in when I entered from entered in this formula bar, this image should be shown as BMW. From left hand side you can see here BMW image. This red car should be replaced with this BMW. Okay, so now let's go to formula bar. I'll click it once here. Now I'll enter. Okay, here we go. So now you can see over here BMW car has been shown. The very red car has been replaced with BMW car in here. So as we know, in the left hand side, this is the main car car with their names: Nissan Red, BMW. It's over here BMWs, and Ford. This is Ford car, Audi, and this is Audi. Okay. So in the similar way, now we can check whether our this picture lookup is working or not. So I will click in this over here, and I will delete this BMW, and I'll write any name. You can choose it from Nissan, BMW, Ford, and Audi. I will just randomly choose Audi, Audi. So I will enter. Now see, when I type Audi and enter, the Audi card is displayed. And in the similar way, I will delete the Audi, and when I check like Ford, F-O-R-D, Ford, and enter, wow, it's again the Ford car has been shown. Now when I delete this F-O-R-D, Ford, and when I write Nissan, okay, so when I enter, now here we go, the Nissan. So this is the output of this task. How does the picture lookup works? Okay, so to make your work more beautiful, you can just color home, make it some colorful, give it so as your reference. Okay, you can give your own color for your task. Okay, it is very simple. So now it's look much better. Now when I type here like BMW and enter, so this is how the picture lookups works. Okay, so the main objective has been successfully done. So main objective was to bring this image over here when we type the brand name of a car. Okay, I hope you enjoyed watching this, and please let me know after 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. It's between you have to submit this. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day, and keep learning.